Look closely. If this video has just appeared on your mobile screen, it's not random. YouTube didn't recommend this video by mistake. It showed you this because right now, somewhere in your life, you are financially weak, confused, or stuck. And this is your chance to change that. So don't skip this video. Listen to every single word carefully, because what I'm about to share with you is not just information, it's a shift in mindset. In this video, I'm going to reveal powerful money habits that can completely transform your financial life. If you watch this video till the end and actually apply what you learn, your life will start changing in ways you didn't imagine. You won't just understand money, you'll start controlling it. And that's where financial freedom begins. Most people think becoming rich is about luck, high income, or some secret opportunity that only a few people know. But the truth is much simpler and also much harder. Wealth is built through habits, small, consistent actions repeated every day. There are people earning average salaries who become financially free, and there are people earning huge incomes who stay broke their entire lives. The difference is not how much they earn. The difference is how they think and what they do with their money daily. If you change your habits, you change your future. And today, I'm going to give you 9 powerful habits that can take you from being financially stressed to financially strong. The first habit is to pay yourself first. This is the foundation of wealth, and yet most people completely ignore it. Whenever money comes in, people immediately start paying bills, buying things, and spending on lifestyle. And at the end of the month, there's nothing left to save. But rich people do the exact opposite. The moment they earn money, they take a portion of it, maybe 10%, 20%, or even more, and set it aside for themselves. This is not money for spending. This is money for building wealth. It goes into savings, investments, or assets that grow over time. Even if you start small, even if it's just 5%, it doesn't matter. What matters is the habit. Because the truth is simple. If you don't pay yourself first, you will always come last. The second habit is controlling your lifestyle. One of the biggest reasons people stay broke is lifestyle inflation. As soon as their income increases, their expenses increase even faster. A better phone, expensive clothes, unnecessary subscriptions, and things they don't even need. They start trying to look rich instead of becoming rich. But wealthy people think differently. They delay gratification. They don't rush to upgrade their lifestyle every time they earn more. Instead, they focus on growing their assets. They understand that every unnecessary expense today is a delay in their financial freedom tomorrow. So before you spend money on anything, ask yourself one simple question. Is this making me richer, or just making me look richer? The third habit is building multiple income streams. Depending on a single source of income is one of the riskiest things you can do in today's world. If that one source stops, your entire life gets affected. That's why financially strong people always try to create additional income streams. It could be a side hustle, freelancing, online business, investments, or anything that brings in extra money. You don't have to do everything at once. Start with one small step. Maybe learn a skill that you can monetize. Maybe start something online, because one income pays your bills, but multiple incomes build your future. And the more sources you create, the more secure and free you become. The fourth habit is learning how money actually works. Most people spend years in school and college, but they never learn about money. They know how to work for money, but they don't know how to make money work for them. And that's the reason they struggle. Financially successful people are always learning. They read about investing, understand how businesses grow, learn about taxes, and constantly improve their financial knowledge. You don't need a degree for this. You just need curiosity and consistency. Spend even 20 to 30 minutes every day learning about money. And over time, your thinking will completely change. Because once you understand money, you stop fearing it and start controlling it. The fifth habit is investing instead of just saving. Saving money is important, but saving alone will not make you rich. In fact, if you only save money, you might actually lose value over time because of inflation. The price of everything increases, and your money slowly becomes weaker. That's why investing is necessary. Investing allows your money to grow. It allows you to earn even when you're not working. It could be stocks, businesses, digital platforms, or any asset that has the potential to increase in value. The key is to start early and stay consistent. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. You just need the right mindset and patience. The sixth habit is avoiding bad debt. Debt is one of the biggest traps that keeps people stuck financially. Not all debt is bad, but most people use debt in the wrong way. They take loans to buy things that don't generate any income. Expensive gadgets, luxury items, things that lose value over time, and then they spend months or even years paying it back with interest. This keeps them stuck in a cycle where they are always working for money but never building wealth. Smart people use debt carefully. They use it to create opportunities, not problems. Before taking any loan, always ask yourself, is this helping me grow financially, or is it holding me back? The seventh habit is thinking long term. In today's world, everyone wants quick results, quick money, fast success, instant growth. But real wealth doesn't work like that. It takes time. It takes patience. It takes discipline. Financially successful people think in years, not days. They understand that small actions today can lead to big results in the future. Instead of chasing shortcuts, they build systems. They stay consistent even when results are not visible immediately. And that's what separates them from everyone else. If you want to become financially free, you have to stop thinking short term and start building for the long term. The eighth habit is tracking your money. If you don't know where your money is going, you will never be able to control it. Most people spend money without thinking, and at the end of the month, they don't even realize where it went. But financially smart people always track their income and expenses. They know exactly how much they earn, how much they spend, and where they can improve. This doesn't have to be complicated. You can simply note your expenses daily or use an app. The goal is awareness, because once you become aware of your spending habits, you automatically start making better decisions. The ninth and final habit is taking action. This is the most important step, because knowing all these habits means nothing if you don't apply them. You can watch videos, read books, learn strategies, but if you don't take action, your life will stay the same. Start small. Don't wait for the perfect moment. There is no perfect moment. Start saving today. Start learning today. Start building today. Even small steps, when taken consistently, lead to big changes. The difference between people who succeed and those who don't is simple. One group takes action, and the other keeps waiting. Now imagine this. What if you actually follow these 9 habits for the next 1 year? Your mindset will change. Your confidence will increase. Your financial situation will improve. And slowly, step by step, your life will start transforming. Because financial freedom is not a dream. It's a result of consistent actions and smart decisions. And now, you have the blueprint. At the end of the day, no one is coming to fix your financial life. No one is responsible for your future except you. You have the power to change everything, but only if you decide to act. So don't just watch this video and move on. Apply what you learned. Stay consistent. And remember, financial freedom is not something that happens overnight. But if you keep going, one day you will look back and realize this was the moment everything started changing. So start today, because one day, or day one, the choice is yours. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and this content should not be considered financial advice. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Your results may vary depending on your effort, knowledge, and circumstances.